I forgot to show you guys the shop. I got it all put together as, you know, much as possible, the way that I like it right now. We had one four-wheeler sitting here. It got done and it's gone. And so now I'm waiting on parts for this one, waiting on parts for this one and this one. But anyway, so my idea was to weld it like this, but as you see, there's not a lot of stroke in this. So if I bring this down, let's say an inch, I'm losing an inch of rise. So therefore, I'm going to be mounting it like this right here. So I mount it just like that, and that will give it a better look, and it'll give the maximum height. Now that looks a lot cleaner. It looks way better than what it did before. So next I'm just going to tighten everything up, make sure we are true and lined up, and then we're going to weld this bracket onto this metal. And then we're going to pop 3 holes on it and weld studs through so we can bolt it down. Here, back on the build. I am about to get ready to weld this up right here. So I'm just going to put a few tack welds in it because I don't want it to move. I got it all lined up how I want it. So we're going to get ready to tack this down, and then once it's tacked down, I drill all my holes that I want to put my through bolts on to bolt it down. And I'm also thinking about running this flat bar over here, so weld one here so I have another spot to anchor on the side. But this is it. I'm happy, and we are. Now y'all gonna have to stop playing with me. I told y'all I can weld. Some of y'all didn't believe I can weld. Wait till I get my welding table. It's over. God, it is hot. Now check this out. Let me clean them up a little bit. Now that's TIG welding. That ain't me. There's levels to this. I need to redo that one a little bit. But if I had my table, welding table, where I was sitting upright, bruh. Check out these welds. Don't say I can't weld now. Check that out. Check that out. Check it out. This is TIG welding. This ain't MIG, baby. I'm gonna redo this one a little bit. I got a little bit out of whack, but that's it. This side, money. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I told y'all I can weld. Wee, boy, that looking crispy. I'm gonna weld a little bit on the back. But I'm gonna let this bar cool off. I need to get a welding table ASAP. they believe I can weld. Wait till I get my welding tank. It's over. Ah, it is hot. Check this out. Clean it up a little bit. Now that's T-weld. That ain't me. We're about to switch gears. It's because I've ordered the air shocks for the front. However, something happened with the shipping. It ain't coming here on time. So I promised myself from the last build that I was going to make sure that the motor is all good before we did anything cosmetic. So however, I had decided that I want to try to build my own tank. Never built a gas tank before, so I decided that I want to try to build a custom gas tank for this motorcycle. And the reason being that I want to do it because it's going to go with the whole entire theme. For those of you that don't know, this is going on the front right here, but it's going to be in a theme. Tomorrow, we're going to start working on our gas tank. Once we get this bolted down, we're going to start doing our one-of-one custom gas tank for the Softail. And also down in the comment section below, my idea with this, I love this seat. I think I'm gonna keep the original seat. However, I wanted to get another seat because this thing is stretched out so much. I want to get another seat to put back here as well. Down in the comment section below, let me know what your thoughts on this. But yeah, we got some stuff we got to do. We got some wiring. This was wired up. Oh, so this is not the factory motor. The factory motor is an 88. This is a 107. So this has been a motor swap on this thing. So we're gonna haul some tail with this motor that's on here. So with all that being said, that is the game plan and what direction we're going in.